It tells you. Oh, it's recording now.
Yes, you put water in there, didn't you?
What are you doing with that water table?
Back up? Are you going to back up?
Sammy gonna come over and play in the water?
You're going to go play in the water with Phoenix? Will Carolyn, Mimi take your picture?
I'm recording. You gonna go for a ride in the car? There you go.
Back up.
Back up. Toot toot toot.
Beep.
Beep 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 beep. Oh, you're a good
Back
backer upper.
No?
He can ride. Sammy can ride in your car. You have to wait till Sammy's through, and then you can get in there. You have to share.
Beep, beep, beep. Back up. Beep, 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 beep. Much easier to go backwards than it is.
Yes, that doesn't go forward very well at all.
Uh-oh. Beep. Close the gas.
Thank you. Push. Are you going to push him?
Push. Yes.
Oh, going to play in the water.
Push him. Is your seat getting all wet?
Of course it is.
Yeah, that's okay.
Phoenix's butt's all wet too.
Yay!
Oh, toot toot toot! Push him, push him!
Push.
Push, push, push! Yes, yes, yes! Right into the water table! Crash!
Out? Are you going to get out?
Perfect. You're going to get in? You can get in.
Sam, put the stick in the water.
Bye. Bye. Whoop. You ran him over.
Sam. Sam.
He's shocked.
Where are you?
He's shocked. Phoenix, you ran over Sammy. Say sorry.
That's sorry.
Yeah, you're sorry. You didn't mean it. Look at those ears.
Stick in. More sticks?
Oh, play in the water.
Can Donnie fix your hat? He probably played in the sink.